Domenico Induno was born May 14, 1815, died November 5, 1878. He was an Italian painter, primarily of genre and historical scenes. His younger brother, Gerolamo, also became a well-known artist and they often worked together. He gradually abandoned history painting in favor of genre scenes, which were then in style among liberal members of the Milanese aristocracy. His mentor, Hayez, assisted him in obtaining noble patrons. He held his first exhibition outside Italy at the Exposition Universelle in Paris, which was considered a great success. He became director of the Brera Academy and no longer participated in their annual exhibitions. 10 years later, at the World Exposition in Vienna, he was awarded a gold medal for dramma domestico, a critique of society in post-unification Italy. After that, his paintings became rather gloomy and melancholy. Although suffering from a serious eye ailment, he was able to participate in the Exposition Universelle of 1878.